This is the Toyo Steel TWR 2. It is the larger of the two trolleys that Toyo Steel make, and the one of principal interest to us here at JTA because we think it is the perfect size. It is all steel construction. It can take 20 kilos on the top shelf, 30 kilos on each of the bottom two shelves. The middle shelf can be moved up and down depending on what you want to store in it. They are super beautiful, better paint than my car, and we've just received a new shipment of our trolleys, including a new colour. So I'm going to take the opportunity to put one together to show you just how easy they are to assemble and how nice they are to use. Let's go. Toyo Steel deals in blue most of the time, but this blue on the trolley is a lighter shade than what we've seen on their toolboxes, and I think it is stinking hot. Alright, so in the box you get one lower shelf, one middle shelf, and you might have guessed one top shelf. All of our hardware is in this box, and our legs are in this box. The legs are colour coded. One end of the leg has a black cap, one end of the leg has a red cap. The important thing to know here is that the red goes up. One of my favourite details about these trolleys is the way in which they go together. Every joint that takes one of these bolts also has two spot welds right next to it. These spot welds serve to detain the head of the bolt, meaning that you can do up the nut without needing a second tool. Right, well, now we've got that together, it's back to work. Catch you in the workshop.